One of the newest components to TFT's high-performance water flow systems that we have is the hydrant assist or the inline assist type valve. We have two models here. This one's a finished version that shows configured in this case with 5-inch storts and a 4.5-inch for the hydrant side. And I also have one here that really isn't assembled yet, so you can see some of the componentry of it. We've tried to really focus on, of course, high performance. You know, that was the one thing. These typically have a flow rate of up to 2,000 gallons per minute. But really at 1,000 gallons per minute, we only have 15 PSI loss through these. So they're very, very efficient, unlike some of the other competitive models in the field that are horribly flow inefficient. That was one of the targets that we had, was all about high performance. The other thing, again, being very lightweight, we take our hard coat anodized aluminum alloy castings, and then we put a really nice powder coat over the top of them to prevent any sort of corrosion problems. As we've done with a lot of our other valves, we use this stainless half ball design, which allows for a very open waterway. Again, part of the performance that we have, the low loss. We have to meet the NFPA criteria for NFPA 1965, which means typically 250 PSI maximum operating pressure. These are tested to, and we actually go to a 900 PSI hydrostatic test, as well as meeting all the slow close requirements for a valve of this size. You can see here also that one of the unique components that we have as far as the design is this parallel shaft gear drive that we use on top. Again, this is part of the slow close mechanism that we have for the valve, but it gives a very clear indication of whether it's a straight hydrant type operation, or if you're in a boost operation, you can change the valve. We also have a clapper that moves very clearly as the boost starts to happen. It gives a very, very clear indication of the water path and how you're boosting your water, so that it's very visual when you operate these as to exactly what's taking place. As with a lot of the TFT componentry that we use in our water flow systems, we use our unique polymer ring style of attachment mechanism, which gives us just infinite capabilities and your choice of different couplings to put on really all the different inlets and outlets of the hydrant assist valve. From threaded male, threaded female rocker lug or long handled couplings, as well as different size of storch couplings, either rigid or swiveling. Again, it's your choice based on your fire department's operational considerations. So if you have any additional questions about the hydrant assist or the inline assist valve that we have here, feel free to talk with our service and tech team at 800-348-2686. Or you can visit online and see one of the other videos that we have that talk about the different modes of operation, the inline pumping as well as the hydrant assist pumping. Or you can visit online as well and get the ops manual, which gives all the information, including the different methods and modes of using it, as well as all the friction loss characteristics and maintenance characteristics that you have.